In the vast realm of spirituality and mythology, angels hold a special place as celestial beings that surround us with their protective and guiding presence. From the pages of the Bible, we can discover fascinating stories and teachings about these heavenly guardians. Join us on a joyful journey as we unveil the celestial sentinels and unlock the secrets of angelic protection in the Bible. Unveiling the celestial sentinels, angelic protection in the Bible. The Bible is replete with instances where angels descend from the heavens to guard, guide, and protect God's people. From Genesis to Revelation, these celestial beings are a constant reminder of God's love and care for His creation. Whether it is the angel who prevented Abraham from sacrificing his son, Isaac, or the angel who protected Daniel in the lion's den, the Bible showcases the watchful eyes and comforting wings of these heavenly guardians. These stories remind us that we are never alone, and we have divine protection surrounding us in times of need. In addition to their protective role, angels also serve as messengers of God, delivering His divine messages to mankind. From the angel Gabriel announcing the birth of Jesus to the shepherds in Bethlehem, to the angel who comforted Jesus in the Garden of Gethsemane, their role extends beyond mere guardianship. They bring messages of hope, encouragement, and guidance, reminding us of the divine presence that accompanies us on our earthly journey. These celestial beings are a testament to the compassion and love of God, always ready to lend a helping hand or whisper a word of encouragement when we need it most. Unlocking divine vigilance, exploring heavenly guardians in Scripture. The Bible provides glimpses into the heavenly realm, where angelic beings stand in constant vigilance, ready to protect and guide God's people. Psalm 91 beautifully captures the essence of angelic protection, stating, "For He will command His angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways." Psalm 91 verse 11, NIV. This verse reminds us that God assigns angels to watch over us and ensure our safety in every aspect of life. It instills in us a sense of peace and reassurance that, no matter the challenges we face, divine guardianship is ever present. Furthermore, the New Testament unveils the role of angels in spiritual warfare, where they engage in battles against the forces of darkness. In the book of Revelation, for instance, we witness the ultimate victory of the heavenly host over evil. Their unwavering commitment to righteousness and protection exemplifies their divine purpose. As believers, we can take comfort in knowing that we are not defenseless in the face of spiritual battles. The heavenly guardians are fighting by our side, ensuring that we emerge victorious in our journey towards righteousness. As we delve into the pages of the Bible, we uncover a realm where heavenly guardians diligently protect, guide, and fight on behalf of God's people. The stories of angelic protection in the Bible remind us of the divine love and care that surrounds us, even in the midst of trials and challenges. May we find comfort in knowing that we are never alone, for the celestial sentinels are with us, illuminating our path, and offering unwavering protection. Let us embrace their presence and trust in God's divine plan, knowing that we have heavenly guardians watching over us every step of the way.